you go. Keep going. Keep going. Can you say Grandpa?
Grandpa.
Yeah, say thanks, Grandpa.
Thanks, Grandpa.
Love you.
Hello.
Hope to see you soon. Oh, I think you're a little bit too young to be having wine. Let's see. Mummy, open that. Hang on. Oh, more paper. Oh. Yeah. Hang on. Hang on here. Oh, there's pussycats on the paper. There you go. Oh. Can you say thanks, Grandpa? Grandpa. Hang on, Mummy help. Oh, there's still one more. You got spoiled. Oh, look at that.
My puppy.
Who is it?
Puppy.
Puppy. Oh, and books. Hang on here. Do you want Mummy to take it out? Yeah? Okay, say thanks, Grandpa.
Grandpa.
Say love you.
Hello.
Bye-bye. Can you wave bye-bye to him?
Bye.
No, he wants to see you wave bye. Oh, more? Oh, you're so spoiled. Okay, say wave bye-bye.
Bye.